Thank you, sis, for bringing me to the mall.
Yeah, you're welcome. Hey, sweet thing. Just keep walking.
Okay.
Hey, I'm talking to you. I'm sorry, I'm not interested. You're not interested? Trust me, you're missing out. I'm like a big teddy bear and I'm funny. I'm just doing some shopping with my little brother. Or you can let me take you out for dinner. What do you say? No, thank you. Come on, girl, stop playing hard to get.
Hey, male version of a Karen, leave my sis alone.
I wasn't talking to you, little brat.
Well, I'm sorry to break it to you, but my sister likes guys that are in shape.
Brother, are you saying I'm out of shape?
I'm saying, if you ran like your mouth, you'd be in great shape.